Cheez, a popular online marketplace for digital content, offers numerous opportunities for individuals to earn money through various means. In 2024, as technology continues to advance, Cheez is expected to introduce new features and platforms that will further enhance earning potential. Here are 14 ways to make money with Cheez in 2024. 1. Sell digital products. Cheez allows users to sell digital products such as ebooks, music, and software. By creating high-quality content, users can attract a large customer base and earn a substantial income. 2. Offer digital services. Cheez also provides a platform for users to offer digital services such as graphic design, writing, and programming. By showcasing their skills and delivering exceptional work, users can build a loyal customer base and earn a steady income. 3. Participate in contests. Cheez regularly hosts contests for users to showcase their skills and win prizes. By participating in these contests, users can gain exposure, win cash prizes, and build their reputation. 4. Collaborate with brands. Cheez has partnerships with various brands, allowing users to collaborate with them on projects. By showcasing their skills and delivering exceptional work, users can earn a substantial income. 5. Refer new users. Cheez offers a referral program, allowing users to earn a commission for referring new users to the platform. By promoting Cheez to their network, users can earn a passive income. 6. Become a Cheez ambassador. Cheez has an ambassador program allowing users to represent the brand and earn a commission for promoting Cheez. By becoming a Cheez ambassador, users can earn a substantial income. Leverage social media. By promoting their Cheez profile on social media, users can attract a larger audience and earn more income. By creating high-quality content and engaging with their followers, users can build a loyal customer base. 8. Utilize SEO. By optimizing their Cheez profile for search engines, users can attract more organic traffic and earn more income. By creating high-quality content and utilizing SEO best practices, users can rank higher in search engine results. 9. Collaborate with other users. By collaborating with other users on projects, users can earn more income and build their reputation. By showcasing their skills and delivering exceptional work, users can attract more clients and earn a substantial income. 10. Utilize AI and ML. As AI and ML become more advanced, Cheez is expected to introduce new features that will further enhance earning potential. By utilizing these technologies, users can create more high-quality content and attract more clients. 11. Leverage AR and VR. As AR and VR become more mainstream, Cheez is expected to introduce new platforms that will further enhance earning potential. By creating high-quality AR and VR content, users can attract more clients and earn a substantial income. 12. Utilize blockchain. As blockchain becomes more mainstream, Cheez is expected to introduce new features that will further enhance earning potential. By utilizing blockchain, users can earn more income through secure and transparent transactions. 13. Leverage IoT. As IoT becomes more mainstream, Cheez is expected to introduce new platforms that will further enhance earning potential. By creating high-quality IoT content, users can attract more clients and earn a substantial income. 14. Utilize 5G. As 5G becomes more mainstream, Cheez is expected to introduce new platforms that will further enhance earning potential. By creating high-quality 5G content, users can attract more clients and earn a substantial income.